It is one of the seven sisters of Northeast state, that is Manipur,
which is mostly famous for its culture, history, festival, food, and for its natural beauty.
80% population of Bihar is dependent on the agriculture.
State presentation. I want simply each one of you to be there and present your state and present the state you have chosen in a best possible way. Be confident, be energetic, and don't afraid of speaking in front of people.
Namaskar दोस्तों, we all welcome to West Bengal, the eastern part of which is in eastern part of the India, which is mostly famous for its culture, history, festival, food, and for its natural beauty. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata, which is also known by City of Joy and the intellectual hub of India. The northern region of West Bengal is famous for tea plantation and for significant beauty. The southern region of West Bengal, it is a home of Sundarban, which is the most greatest mangrove forest, and it is also a home of Royal Bengal tigers. And now one of the most popular festival of India is celebrated here, known as Durga Puja. Now we all are Indians, so we are mostly focusing on food. So let me tell you the West Bengal food, which is most sweets, the Rasgulla and Meethi Doi. And in the last, I just want to clear one myth that we all have got right here, that Bengalis are mostly known for their black magic. But it's not like that. I know we have got rich culture, but it's wrong. So, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. There I am representing one of the state of India which is blend of natural beauty, that is Manipur. Manipur given a power of
Yes.
special power in the Constitution of India, that is article in 371C. It is located in the north part of India, and it is one of the seven sisters of Northeast state, that is Manipur. Manipur share border with three state and one international border, and it has a diverse community, that is Meitei, Nagas and Kukis. They represent a range of festivals throughout the year. They are also known as jewel of country due to scenic topography, lush greenery and cultural heritage. And it is also known as sport power of India because it produces many athletes, that is Mary Kom is also one of them. It has literacy rate high, that is 76.94%, and Manipur is known throughout the year as it was faces violent. It has a rich culture which was represented in the medieval era, and it is also known as handloom producer in the country. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So hello guys, greeting to all. My name is Rajneesh and today my topic is I give a presentation on the beautiful state of Bihar. Beautiful state Bihar. Guys, you know Bihar is located in the east of our country, east side of our country, and Bihar is the third largest by populations and the 13th largest by the area. Bihar, you know guys, ki Mithila is the birthplace of Mata Sita, and Mata Sita who is the wife of Lord Rama. And in Bihar, the 80% population of Bihar is dependent on the agriculture and animal husbandries. Okay, Bihar, you guys, you know the Sahnai Wadak, late Bismillah Khan, and he got a big honor from the central government of India, and he was born in Bihar. And and Bihar has their own religious culture and heritage sites. The main language of Bihar, the official language of Bihar is Hindi, but the people are also speaking Magahi, Bhojpuri, and Urdu also. And in Bihar, the main dishes of Bihar is a litti chokha, while the people are also prefer to eating champaran handi meat and fish curry, and also saag and roti. And Bihar, there are many. Chhath Puja is a very big festival of Bihar, while Ram Navami, Saraswati Puja, and Dasara is also celebrated in Bihar. And you know, guys, there are many stars that belong to Bihar at that time. Pankaj Tripathi, Manoj Vajpayee was also born in Bihar, and you know Sushant Singh Rajput, an IITian guys, were very talented person, was also born in Bihar, and the 10th Sikh Guru of Sikh community are also born in Bihar, and you know only stars are not born in Bihar. I say you and Diler Mehndi, a singer, was also born in Bihar, and the makhana is a big exporter of Bihar is a big exporter of makhana. Madhubani painting is the Madhubani painting got GI tag from the central government of India, is a big was also popular in all over India. So guys, thank you to appreciate.
Hello everyone, I am Gayatri, and today I am going to tell you about a state which I love the most. As we know that we have a beautiful state, it's a Himachal Pradesh. I am going to tell you about a Himachal Pradesh. It's a city where we can live without any, we get away their air, very pure air, and it's a state where people are very beautiful, and they are soft-hearted, and they are very helpful people are in the Himachal Pradesh. And you all know that Himachal Pradesh is situated in the northern part of India, and its capital is Shimla. And you all guys, I think you all guys know about the Shimla. Shimla is a beautiful place, and it's a tourist place where you can visit and you can do a trekking there, and you can enjoy a lot there. There are so many famous places in Himachal Pradesh where you can visit and you can do so many things there. There is some places, Kullu Manali you can visit, and there is a Chamba Dalhousie you can visit, and most things in Himachal Pradesh, it's famous for its apple orchard. Every person in Himachal, they do a farming there, and they follow their agriculture in the Himachal Pradesh. And I want to tell you about one thing, Himachal is famous for its density. They know that they follow their agriculture, and it's called a Devta and Devis. They follow every village have their own Devta and Devis. And I want to say that I am also from Himachal Pradesh, and I have also own Devta. It's a Jharunag temple, and I follow the Jharunag temple and God. Okay, I want to tell you about heritage, and they follow their agriculture, and they are very humble. Thank you. That's it.